Good morning, guys. Welcome back or to the channel. In today's video, we're doing something a little different. As you can probably tell, because you can't see anything. We're over here by the trucks. Here's the white truck, and here's the 6.0. But sorry for the black screen. We have no light over here. But we are at the 6.0, and like I said, we're doing something a little different. So here we go. Now you can see something. What we're doing, let me put those there. We're picking up wheels for the 300. Yeah. So I hopped on Marketplace earlier and was looking, as you do, or as I tend to do, and yeah, see, I wouldn't mind. There's a white truck. But I found some wheels for the 300. Got to talking to the guy, and they're not perfect, I will say, but yeah, it's a really good deal on them, and I have a buddy that can fix them. So we're supposed to meet tomorrow. The date's not right on this, but it is 9 o'clock at night on Saturday. But we're supposed to meet tomorrow, and then the guy said, well, I can come and meet you here in town. He lives an hour away, and he is going to come all the way to me. We're going to meet at a place that's like 15 minutes, 20 minutes from the house. So that works for me. So I'm going to run in. I'm going to grab my phone charger real quick, and well, I guess we're going to stop by the bank. I'm going to grab some cash, and we're going to go pick up some wheels for the 300. All right. So here we are. Now, I mean, like I said, I was looking through Marketplace today, just looking for deals, as I do. And I would turn the camera around, but y'all probably can't see me. But scrolling through Marketplace, as I do, and I come across these, and I seen them weren't perfect. They had some little problems with them. So I thought, I don't know. And then I kept looking, and I kept coming across them. And I got to looking at them. Well, dang, those would actually look pretty cool on the car, I think. I don't really know. So I figured for what I'm giving for them, if I didn't like them, I'll just resell them. So here we are at 9:30 on a Saturday night, meeting the guy with wheels. So yeah, I guess that's one of them impulse decisions that I seem to be really good at. But anyway, I'm waiting for the guy to get here. When he gets here, I'm probably gonna pull around back here or over there under the lights. That way I can actually look at these things. Because you do not buy something in the dark. I've figured that out several times. So, like I said, when he gets here, we'll pull over here or over there under the light, and we'll take a look at them and whatnot. And, well, I might stop at another gas station here in town, or I might just go back to the house and catch all there. We'll see. But I guess I'm going to sit here and hurry up and wait, and he should be here before too long. Alright, guys. So, stopped at a car wash. That way y'all can see. There's cops everywhere tonight. Figure Memorial Day weekend. Matter of fact, there's one right over there. But, hey, we're not doing nothing illegal, so who cares? So, here are the wheels. It's about 10 o'clock, 10:30. Been talking to the guy. We stood there in the parking lot and talked for like 30 minutes. But here they are. So, these are 22s, which might be a little big for the car. But I think they look good. A little bit of curb on them. But I figured, since I kind of want to do 22s on the car anyway, we'll throw these on with these hiatus, and we'll test them out, see how they fit, see how I like 22s before I get new 22s and then figure out they don't fit. So anyways, I guess we're gonna head to the house. We're not gonna throw these on the car in this video. We do need to get 2 of them fixed. One of them doesn't need fixed, but we're gonna get it fixed anyway just to be safe. So the guy had actually told me these had a crack in them. One of them has a crack in them that does leak, that he had tried to weld, and then another one he said had a crack in it. There's just a little tiny crack, and he JB welded it, but it apparently doesn't leak. So I got a buddy here in Greenbrier who works for a tire shop that fixes wheels for people, so he's gonna fix these up for me and whatnot. But I got a bunch of stuff going on, so I don't know really when we'll have time. I need to take them. I'm gonna take them to a different tire shop. Our friends over at Spring Hill Tire, because they always get me knocked out super quick. That's who did these. Matter of fact, that's who did the Platinum 20s for this truck. They did the tires that's on the white truck. They did the blue truck tires. Bunch of stuff. So, and that's actually who mounted the tire for me on the 300 a couple weeks ago. So we'll take it to them. Our friend Willie, the owner, he's a great guy. My grandpa's known him for years. Now saying that, we don't get a discount. You know, we pay full price for everything just as anybody else would, but it's nice when you have people that care about what they're doing. And not only do they care what they're doing, they're awesome folks. They're honest. Nothing against where Logan works. I've seemed like I had them do something, and they did great. But Willie and them, they're just right down the road from the house. They're great folks. So I guess that's all to be said about that. But anyways, I'm gonna get this thing fired back up, get back to the house, turn the headlights back on. But we're gonna get back to the house, and I'll get these unloaded and we'll look at them a little bit more. All right, so yes, got the rock lights going. And remember guys, discount code to last fit, I'll put it up here on the screen, and down below in the description, for these rock lights. I still need to get an extension cable for this one, that one. But anyhow, I got the powder shop all opened up, and got the truck backed up here. So I'm gonna start the fun part of unloading all these. I need to find something to sit on the floor. I might move the pallet jack and set them against the wall. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because, well, I don't know if y'all can tell, but we got a little bit of pokage going on there. And it kind of hurt my soul just a little bit when the guy just laid them down, and it heard BAM, which is aluminum on truck bed. But anyway, I'm going to move this over here, and we'll lean them against the wall for right now. Now, I will probably have another video coming up where we test fit these on the car, because I want to test fit them before I spend any more money. Make sure they'll fit, and then if they do, I'll call my buddy up and say, hey, get these things fixed up. So I'm gonna go ahead, start unloading these guys, and well, once they're unloaded, I'll show y'all a little bit more about them. Alright, so the 6.0 is where we started. White truck still where we started. Now, if the camera gets shaky, I apologize. If I hold it with my left hand. Or if you notice my left hand shaking, don't worry about it. Unloading these, I must have hit a nerve or something in my hand. Because it's not happy. But anyway, we'll get these closed up because it's getting pretty late. And I really didn't intend to do anything today. And here we are. I have lasered this morning and then filmed one video, and now we're filming another one. And I'll do that later. But anyway, here we have them. So that one there, that's the cracked one. One of these two is the other one, and that tire down there is flat. Now, he said he didn't know why that one was flat. So I don't know, we'll see. But either way, I would say I got a pretty good deal on these, all in all. So I think my buddy Logan said that he would fix the two cracked ones for $100, which ain't too bad. To grind them down and do them. Now, I do trust Logan, and I might not keep these wheels. So keep that in mind. And it's not like I take the car out and race it or anything like that. But like I said, those two tires are flat. That one's cracked. And then one of these is the one that he JB welded. I think it might be this one. Ooh, stay. It is not this one. It must be that one that wants to get away. But tires, two of the tires, that one's really good. That one's also really good. These have probably seen a few burnouts. And the reason I say that, yeah, so this one's got some JB weld on it down there. But like I was saying, I figure I'll take these, both of these two, and get them fixed before they go in the car. So, and then this one, like I said, I don't know why that one's flat. We'll look at it and see. But this one had a pretty good crack in it. So, like I said, we'll take these to Logan. We'll have him look at them. And if he thinks, they're not like safely fixable, then I'll scrap them, or I'll scrap that one, and I'll get another one. Or I'll just sell them as they are. Because, again, I figure the tires are worth pretty close to what I paid for them. We'll get into that more later. But I feel like it was a pretty good deal. Have all four center caps. Again, they do have a little curb around the tips of the spokes. You can see a little bit there. This one's pretty good. A little bit down there. That one's got some on it. But all in all, none of them are like terrible. Which is amazing because, again, these spokes stick out farther than the lip. So it's kind of typical to have curb on that kind of thing, because especially with low pros, if you have something like that, it sticks out past the tire, a whole lot more susceptible to curbing and such stuff as that. So another thing, cracked wheels seems like this awful thing, but really, in the retrospect of things, it happens every day. People fix them every day, so I'm not too concerned about it. But like I said, if he has any ounce of uncertainty that they will be safe once they are done, we ain't doing it. So, not too concerned. Because like I said, if there's any doubt at all, we ain't doing it. Because I don't play like that. That's not, safety's not one of those things that I like to play with. But anyway, I'm gonna get this put back in here, and we'll probably call it there. But like I said, I got that back in there. But I mean, like I was saying, 2 of these tires are pretty good. 2 are questionable. But we can get some running out of them anyway and see how we like them. You know, I've actually been talking to a few companies about potentially doing something with the car, but I wasn't sure what size. So these are going to be the guinea pigs. These are 22 9.5s. Now, one thing I'm not sure about is the offset. We might run into a deal with these of like the Azaras, where they were to inset and they hit things. So that we will have to see. These are, I believe, wider than the Azaras, so we'll have to keep that in mind. But one of these days, this week, we'll test fit 2 of these on the car, see how they look, and all of that kind of thing. We'll throw some air in that one, see how it does. I have an air compressor up here, and I would, but I mean, it's like 11 o'clock at night now, so I figure my neighbors would not be happy. But anyway, I guess there we have them. So these are, what are these wheels? Allures. I've never heard of that. But anyway, like I said, here we have it. So I come across these the other day, and I didn't really pay any attention to them till like 5 hours ago, and now we have them. So that's I guess that's kind of how I do things. You know, it's like the powder coating. I decided to do that and hopped on Facebook Marketplace and bought somebody's setup within like 3 hours of doing it. My 420 here, there, I seen it on Marketplace after I sold my 350, which I wish I didn't sell, because I actually did like that thing really, really well. I just wanted something newer, something different, but that thing, seen it on a Tuesday. We had a deal by that night, and then that Friday we was driving 5.5 hours to go get it. So that's kind of how things work around here, but I think these are going to look real nice on the 300. So like I said, one day this week we'll get these test fitted on the car. That'll probably be the next video y'all see, potentially. We'll have to see how I want to do everything. But anyway, guys, I think that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all have any ideas or suggestions or whatever about these, if you like them, let me know. If you don't like them, let me know. I'll read all the comments, good, bad, or indifferent. I do read them all. I might not respond to them, but I do read all of them. But if you enjoyed today's video or maybe found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.